I previously made a video about the best way to select a battery, and so now here's the acid test. I'm buying a new battery, and I brought my little tester here, and I'm going to select the best one and go with that one. So let's try the first one that I see. I need a group 25 battery. So this is a brand new battery. Let's see how it does. So we can see that this battery is 84% healthy, and it's got 5.9 milliohm resistance. So it's a good battery, but let's see if we can do a little bit better. So remember, 84% health. So this one is a little better, as you can see, 87% health, 5.77 milliohms. Let's try another one, see if we can do a little bit better than this.
¿No crees o qué crees? Okay, bye.
Okay, this one, 94% health, 5.56 milliohms internal resistance. Guess which one I'm going to pick?